professors. How are you? Hope you are well and safe. I am Jatan Shah. I am in the field of test and measurement industry for more than 18 years. I would like to thank you and special thanks to PSN College and their staff for giving me this opportunity to be with you and share my thoughts. I would really like to congratulate them to arrange this online FDP program, which is revolutionary. I know you educators draw a very strong responsibility of producing industry-ready engineers. And especially the EC branch. EC is the branch which has been passed through a lots of changes over a period of time. Today, if you look at the burden on EC branch is tremendous. Power electronics is the classic example, where everything works on low power and every user wants to have a more battery life, more power cycles working with their instruments. Second technology is the advanced communication, where you have the technology transition from 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, and the media, the way we do the communication, the modulation what we use, everything has been changed. We started with analog communications, then moved to digital communication, and which will lead us the transition from analog modulation to digital modulations. And now, to produce industry-ready engineers takes a lot. My personal experience says like 10% learning happens in classroom by training. 20% learning happens by observing the things somebody doing. And the 70% of the learning happens by doing the things on your own, by doing things in the lab, doing practicals. And as a Tektronix, we are with you on that 70% of your journey. We have come out with classic center of excellence, classic solutions, which you can develop inside your lab, which you can operate remotely, and give that experience to your students, how industry works, how the real-time problem getting solved in industry, how we look at the problem, how we solve it, and what is our approach towards those problems. And that is the key when we talk about industry-ready engineers. Today many MNCs are looking at India for their production, for their R&D, for their distribution network, and as a market. And now it's a time where we offer them industry-ready manpower, skilled manpower, which can grow our economy fast. And as a Tektronix, we commit ourselves to help you in that journey. We offer a world-class center of excellence on advanced communication, component characterization, center of excellence on power electronics, semiconductor characterization, future mobility, IoT, and many more. One of the key things I would like to share today with you is communication is not only the RF communication. It also comprises of lots of protocols, lots of area like PCI, USB, DDR5, DDR6. This is also a communication, which is a very high-speed communication. And the engineers who can understand this problem and debug this problem faster are in great demands. So again, I would like to thank you all and all the best for this particular program. Now my colleague Nikhil will take you through few experiments which he has prepared, which you can conduct with instruments remotely. Thank you.